The internet has been going absolutely crazy over two new humanoid robot clips, and once you see them, you'll understand why. Tesla just showed its Optimus robot pulling off kung fu moves smoother than ever before, while Unitree's G1 is out there getting shoved, kicked, and standing right back up like it's made of steel. Both look real, both look insane, and together, they show just how close we are to robots that actually move and react like us. In this video, we're putting these two machines head-to-head, breaking down what the viral clips really show, how far each one has come, and which might lead the future of humanoids. By the end, I'll tell you which one I think comes out on top, and you can decide for yourself. Tesla's latest Optimus demo didn't just look smoother, it looked alive. For the first time, the video seemed to run in real time. No fast forward, no camera tricks. Optimus mirrored a human trainer, entered a fighting stance, and started reacting, not repeating a script, but responding in real coordination. Its arms and legs moved, like they finally understood rhythm and timing. Every small balance correction looked intentional. Every step had purpose. This was no longer the jerky robot we saw a year ago. This was a machine learning through movement, powered by its own onboard AI. No one hiding behind a controller, no preset path. Just a robot making its own decisions from live sensor data. The only missing piece? The hands. Tesla hasn't shown full control yet. That 22-joint hand upgrade still seems in progress. But what we saw was the clearest sign yet that Optimus is becoming self-aware in motion. Now, while Tesla focused on grace, Unitree went straight for grit. Their G1 demo wasn't about smooth kung fu moves, it was about survival. Engineers pushed it, kicked it, knocked it down again and again, and it just kept getting up. They called it anti-gravity mode. Obviously not literal, but it looked like the thing refused to obey gravity. Every time it hit the ground, it shifted its weight, rolled out, and stood back up. Fast. No cables, no help, just pure robotic instinct. And that comes from insane engineering. The G1 is loaded with depth cameras, LiDAR, torque sensors, and internal balance controllers that predict impact before it even happens. It doesn't fight the fall, it flows with it. That's why it moves so naturally. It braces like an athlete, reacts like a fighter, and stabilizes like a human trying to find footing after a shove. And here's the shocking part. It costs about $16,000. That's not a lab toy anymore. That's a price real research teams, startups, and universities can actually afford. Tesla and Unitree aren't just building robots, they're building two different philosophies. Tesla's approach is all about scale. Elon Musk wants thousands of Optimus robots working inside Tesla factories by the end of 2025, with production goals climbing toward 50,000 units next year. If that happens, prices could drop fast, because Tesla knows how to scale hardware. But humanoids aren't cars. You can't just mass-produce balance, coordination, or safety overnight. Right now, Optimus feels like a polished prototype. Smart, elegant, but still confined to the lab. Unitree, on the other hand, has been shipping real robots for years. Thousands of robot dogs already working in defense, security, and research across the world. They've broken, rebuilt, tested, and improved in real-world conditions. That's why G1 feels rugged, not cinematic, but reliable. But Unitree's rise hasn't been perfect. Researchers recently discovered a serious Bluetooth vulnerability in some of its robots, a flaw that could allow hackers to take control and even spread to nearby units. To make things worse, data logs showed the G1 sending system info back to servers in China every few minutes. Unitree said they're fixing it, but it raised real concerns about privacy and security. Because when a robot can see, walk, connect to Wi-Fi, and act, it's not just a machine anymore. It's a potential risk. Still, while software issues can be patched, physics can't be faked. And when it comes to physical ability, G1's resilience right now is unmatched. Tesla's Optimus moves with intelligence. G1 moves with instinct. Both are trying to solve the same problem, but from opposite directions. Tesla's closed ecosystem runs on the same AI brain as its self-driving cars. The same vision models, same data systems, same feedback loops. That's its strength. Everything connects. Unitree's strength is openness. Their robots can be modified, reprogrammed, and used as test beds for new AI systems. That's why companies like Amazon and Meta are using G1s in research, teaching them to perform parkour and carry boxes just by watching human videos. Tesla wants to own the ecosystem. Unitree wants to share it. And both strategies could shape the next decade of robotics. The next real milestone for both? Hands. Not movement, not balance, manipulation. The moment one of these companies shows a humanoid robot picking up fragile tools, tying cables, or performing real tasks, the game changes. That's when humanoids go from cool demos to essential workers. Tesla is already testing Optimus quietly inside factories. Unitree is flooding the market with feedback and iteration. Two different paths, same destination. Both machines are incredible. Tesla is chasing intelligence, smooth, thoughtful, deliberate motion. Unitree is chasing survival, a robot that can take a beating and keep working. If we're talking real-world readiness, Right now, Unitree's G1 feels closer. It's rough, tough, affordable, and it already works in chaos. Optimus, though, it's got the bigger vision. When Tesla's ecosystem fully matures, it could dominate the long game. But today, the G1's endurance gives it the edge, because progress doesn't always look clean. Sometimes it looks like a robot getting kicked and standing up again. And that's exactly why this battle matters. Optimus and G1 aren't just machines. They're the first real glimpse of a future where robots learn, adapt, and eventually live among us. So what do you think? Is the future built on intelligence or endurance? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit like and subscribe if you enjoyed this breakdown, and I'll see you in the next videos.